everyone, I'm Saloni, and you're watching Life Outside the Ring, where we go beyond the ring into real life. Today, all your favorite WWE superstars showed up at Fanatics Fest. So let's check out what went down. Kicking things off, the Queen herself, Charlotte Flair, made a grand entrance alongside the legend John Cena. The energy in the stadium was unreal as fans screamed, waved, and reached out for a glimpse of their icons. But what stole hearts wasn't just the arrival, it was what Charlotte did next. She spent precious time with fans, especially specially abled members of the WWE Universe. She greeted them with pure love, warm hugs, selfies, laughs, and the biggest smile on her face. Now we all know, Charlotte gets called a Nepo kid, people say she's handed title shots. But moments like these, they remind us why she's still queen. Because inside that superstar persona, there's a golden heart that truly cares for the fans. And just when we thought that was it, boom, talks started heating up about a boxing challenge. Yup, you heard that right, Charlotte's stepping up to the gloves. And she might not be alone for long. Rumors say Seth Rollins, Becky Lynch, John Cena, and even Tiffany Stratton could join the lineup. This is just the beginning, let's see who's next to throw down. And speaking of Tiffany, it's Tiffy time. How could we forget about the center of the universe herself, Tiffany Stratton? Tiff was glowing as always, spotted clicking cute selfies with fans at Fanatics Fest. But the best part, she sat down with some young WWE fans to play the WWE card game. Pulling out cards of Alexa Bliss and others, and the kids were loving it. From glam to games, Tiffany gave fans a day to remember. Now that's how you make it Tiffy time, in style. And yes, the fearless queen herself, Nikki Bella, was also at Fanatics Fest. She was seen hosting and lighting up the stage with her signature Bella energy. We may have new rising stars all around, but for us, it's always Bella Army for life, and we'll always love our Nikki B. Now when it comes to fan favorites, main event Jey Uso is always on top. Fire. The crowd popped the moment they saw him at Fanatics Fest. He was out there, meeting fans, flashing that big smile, throwing up the heat. And making sure everyone felt the UCE energy. Whether it's in the ring or outside, Jey never misses a chance to show love to the Heat Nation. Usos truly built different. And of course, the Viper Randy Orton, his aura never dies. He was spotted meeting young fans and even future WWE stars like Anoa'i cousin Zilla Fatu. Once a legend, always a legend. And now, burn it down. Fire. The visionary, revolutionary, Seth freakin' Rollins made his entrance, and oh boy, it was a whole vibe. From the crowd singing his theme at the top of their lungs, to Seth dancing, twirling, and soaking in the love. He gave us a full entrance like only he can. But things got even more intense. We witnessed a moment straight out of a dream match. Seth Rollins vs. John Cena, face to face. The fans erupted as our champion stood toe to toe with the GOAT, and things were heating up. But then, just like that, Cena walked away, leaving Seth in the ring alone. And that's when it happened, CM Punk showed up, and the air shifted. What started as a stare down quickly turned into a heated brawl. The crowd didn't know who to cheer for, it was chaos, it was wild, it was WWE at its best. This is the kind of drama we live for. And after all that chaos, CM Punk gave us a moment we'll never forget. He made his way to the stage and met a tiny baby dressed head to toe in a CM Punk outfit. The smile on Punk's face, priceless. It was a sweet, emotional moment that melted hearts. Unfortunately, we can't show that video here due to restrictions. But trust me, it was pure magic. And hey, when we are talking about CM Punk, we can't skip John Cena. The GOAT was all over Fanatics Fest, and gave us one of the funniest moments of the day. He walked up to a punch strength tester, hyped the crowd like he was about to land the biggest punch ever. But guess what? He never punched it. Instead, Cena smiled and said, "I've never punched a single man in my 25 years here." Tears of joy. Only John Cena can pull that off and walk away like a boss. After Cena walked off with his iconic line, the punch tester became the fan zone hotspot. Seth Rollins hyped it up with his dramatic flair. Tiffany Stratton gave it her glam touch. And Becky Lynch. She showed the man still has knockout power. Superstars lined up, laughed, and turned the whole thing into a mini showdown. Because only WWE can turn even a punch machine into must-watch entertainment.
I didn't eat breakfast today.
Come on, baby, come on.
You know, I used to be a baller back in the day. I did. I was so good that I spent 38 years in wrestling. I don't think I ever got to sign a basketball. That's how good I was. There you go, guys.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Outside the Ring, where we go beyond the ring into real life. See you in the next one.